Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can see that I've been using it for 8 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, the Chrome and the contacts. What's more, we've got the unlock and the notifications count, and if you want to check some further details, you can do it by using two different ways. The first one is to tap directly inside the graph, which will show how long we've been using the whole screen in particular days. You can change the screen time to the notifications and the times opened, and under it we've got all of the apps listed with the time we've spent on them. Or we can check the details directly for one app, so for example the settings. Just tap on it, and as you can see, again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. The same situation, you can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. So basically this is it. This is how to check the total screen time. Just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect. Right here we've got the focus mode, bedtime mode and the dashboard. They will be useful if you need the time for yourself, you just want to rest and you don't want to be disturbed. You can set some kind of timers, thanks to which your device will simply, for example, limit the notifications from distracting apps, so you will be able to work in peace. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.